I'm Rachel from Teen Services at the Frankfort Community Library, and I'm here to talk to you about starting a Bookgram and joining the Bookgram community on Instagram. One of my favorite things to share on my Bookgram is diverse reads. And so I would like to just put a plug in here and say, go follow me on Instagram. I am at the YA Librarian. And you can also find my blog at www.theyalibrarian.com as well. And I share a lot of diverse reads there, as well as thrillers and comedies and all different kinds of genres. To join the book community on Instagram, you need to first start a Bookgram. These are 3 quick tips to help you do that. I learned that my idea is to boost a social media profile quickly from a diverse read. It was Tinfoil Crowns by Erin Jones, and it's about a girl who makes YouTube videos and is kind of semi-locally famous, and a manager in New York wants to represent her, and he gives her tips on how to make her YouTube following grow, because he wants her to have a certain amount before he will become her agent. And so the things I did, I all drew from this book, and that is to post regularly. They say at least 3 times a week, but that's honestly kind of hard for me to do sometimes because I am a busy librarian and a mom and a student. And then one really important thing is to become a part of the community. So add other bookgrammers, libraries, publishers, and then comment on their posts and communicate with them. Like what they put up, and ask them questions on their posts, and just get to know each other. It's actually a lot of fun. It's a community, and so you need to become a part of the community and put your 2 cents in. Another really important element is the use of hashtags. Hashtags are what get you noticed. It's what makes you be found, and will get you further reach, and also will help you be able to find people who are doing your program. For instance, we use the hashtag Diverse Reading 2020, and so when we click that, we can see who is doing our Diverse Reads program. It can be time consuming to put all the hashtags up on Instagram, and so I keep a note on my phone. I use an iPhone, and in the Notes app, I keep a note that's just filled with hashtags for all different kinds of subjects, whether it's a program or it's a read. I like to use the different genre of the read. I'll put in YA horror, YA realistic fiction, but I keep those hashtags in a note to save myself time. And another important thing to note is that Instagram will only allow 30 hashtags with each post. Another thing bookgrammers do is to stage the images and let the books, look more attractive, and it catches more attention. These are a few that we've done in my department. So these are just a few tips to get the most out of your Bookgram, and insights are really important because it shows you what kind of posts are getting reach and catching attention. I love tagging the authors in my posts. A lot of times they will message me back or they'll comment on the post, and I've actually had a lot of fun conversations with authors by doing that. And I also will use Instagram as a way to show what new books we have at the library. I'll do a live on Instagram and show them new manga and things like that. And I use stories, which I then will highlight in different topics so people can come back to my Instagram and see what I was talking about. And the picture over here to the left is an image from Insights, which shows me which of my posts had received the most reach. And as you can see, the 10th Girl had some really good reach there. And I'm not really sure why, but that was a really good book and also a really good diverse read. In order to use Insights, you will have to set your Instagram to a business Instagram. And here's how you do that. You just hit the 3 little lines up at the top. You go to Settings, Account, and then there'll just be a spot right there where you choose switch to business account. And then at that point, it will start recording your insights and help you understand how to better reach your followers. So thanks for watching. And here is where you can find me on Instagram at the YA Librarian. And I've included my Twitter, my email, and my blog. And right here to the left is our Diverse Reading 2020 Challenge. And I hope you will join me on Instagram with your diverse reads and tell me what you've read and what you think about what you read. Have a great day.